Click on the link below to get price. The Alorair 180 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust solution tailored for demanding environments such as basements, warehouses, and job sites. Upon first impression, the heavy-duty build of this dehumidifier assures durability, which is essential for continuous operation in challenging conditions. Weighing around 70 pounds, it's designed for commercial use, yet it can easily be maneuvered thanks to its integrated wheels and handle. One of the standout features of the Alorair 180 Pint is its impressive moisture removal capability. With the ability to extract up to 180 pints of water per day, this unit excels in high humidity situations, effectively preventing mold growth and preserving material integrity. The built-in pump is a game-changer, allowing for continuous drainage without manual intervention. This is particularly beneficial in areas where a gravity drain is not feasible. Setup is straightforward, with a user-friendly interface that includes an LCD display for easy monitoring of humidity levels and settings. The dehumidifier operates quietly, making it suitable for both occupied spaces and unoccupied environments. Moreover, the range of features, including automatic restart after power failure and a defrosting function, enhances its reliability and efficiency, ensuring that it runs optimally in colder conditions. Energy efficiency is another point worth noting. The Alorair 180 Pint is designed to consume less power while providing maximum moisture extraction, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Additionally, the washable air filters are easy to clean and replace, ensuring that the unit maintains peak performance over time. However, while the dehumidifier is highly effective, it's worth mentioning that its initial cost may be higher than consumer-grade options. Still, for businesses and individuals needing reliable moisture control, the investment pays off with its performance and durability. Overall, the Alorair 180 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier with pump stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone in need of serious humidity control in commercial settings.